Hello everyone. The question is, a single letter is selected at random from the word probability. Then find the probability that the selected letter is a vowel. Probability. Probability is the word which is given in the question. So now if we observe the vowels from that word, P is one vowel, A is one vowel, I is one vowel, and here one more I is there, so that is also a vowel. So total 4 vowels are there. So number of favorable outcomes 4 divided by total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the probability of selecting a vowel from the given word is 4 divided by 11. Okay, the next question is, a coin is tossed and a dice is rolled. Then find the probability that the coin shows the head and the dice shows 6. Here, coin showing the head. So, only one coin is tossed. So, the only probability is tail head or head tail. These are the two total outcomes. So he is asking about the head only. So it means, oh sorry, only one coin is tossed, right? So either tail or head. That's it. Only two. Because only one coin is tossed, so the possibilities are either tail or head. So now he is asking about head. So favorable outcomes are 1 divided by total outcomes are 2. 1 by 2. Next, the probability that the coin shows the head and the dice shows 6. The numbers on the dice are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He is asking about number should be 6. So only one favorable outcome divided by total numbers are 6. So 1 by 2 is for coin showing a head and 1 by 6 is for the die showing a number 6. These two are completely independent. So let us multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. So it will be 1 by 12. So the probability that the coin shows the head and the dice shows 6 is 1 divided by 12. Okay. The probabilities of winning the race by two athletes A and B are 1 by 5 and 1 by 4. The probability of winning by neither of them. The probability of winning neither of them. That is probability of A complement intersection B complement. This we need to find. So probability of A is given as 1 by 5. Then what is probability of A complement? That is 1 minus 1 by 5. That is nothing but 4 by 5. And probability of B is given as 1 by 4. Then what about probability of B complement? 1 minus 1 by 4. It's nothing but 3 by 4. So now we have probability of A complement, that is 4 by 5, and probability of B complement is 3 by 4. So multiply these two. 4 cancel, so we remains with 3 divided by 5. The probability of winning neither of them is 3 divided by 5. Okay, the next question is, mean weight of 9 items is 15. Mean of 9 items. So what is the formula for mean? Mean, that is x bar is equals to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Sum of observations divided by number of observations. So the mean weight of 9 items, number of observations are 9. is 15. Mean of those 9 items is 15. So mean is given 15. Then sum of the observations is not given. So I will take this 9 to the left side. We will get sum of the observations is equals to 15 times 9. That is nothing but 135. Sum of the observations is 135. Now, if one more item is added to the series, in the beginning 9 items are there, now we are adding one more item, then the mean becomes 16. Now x bar is given as 16, that is equals to sum of the observations. Already we know previously the sum is 135. Now one more item they are adding, so plus here already x bar is there, so I will take some other alphabet A. That added item value is A divided by number of observations. Previously we have 9 number of observations, but now one item is added, so 9 plus 1, 10 observations. This 10 I will take to the left side, so we get 135 plus A is equals to 16 into 10, 160. Now this 135 also I will take right side, so A is equals to 160 minus 135. A is equals to 160 minus 135 is nothing but 25. So the value of the 10th item is 25. Okay, next question is, what is the arithmetic mean or AM of the series NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 till NCN? So it's very simple. First, sum of the observations, that is NC1 plus NC1 plus NC2 and so on till NCN, divided by number of observation. N number of observations are there. So NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus and so on till NCN is nothing but 2 power n divided by n. So arithmetic mean of the given series is 2 power n divided by n. Okay, the next question is, mean of 100 items is 49. X bar is equals to sum of the observations divided by number of observations. Mean of 100 items. So observations are 100 in number and mean is given as 49. So we don't know what is the sum of the observations. So I will take this 100 to the left side. So we will get sum of the observations is equals to 49 into 100. 4900. Sum of those 100 items is 4900. Next, it was discovered that 3 items which should have been 60, 70, 80 were wrongly read as 40, 20, 50. So original numbers are 60, 70 and 80. But by mistake they read it as 40, 20 and 50. 40, 20, 50. Actually these are the original numbers, but by mistake they said these numbers. So let us check whether they entered more or less. Original is 60. Instead of 60 they added only 40. It means still 20 should be added. Original number is 70, but they added 20 only, so still 50 should be added. Original value 80, but they added 50, so still 30 should be added. So 20 plus 50, 70, 70 plus 30, 100. 100 should be added to the sum. So the total sum is 4900. For that, if we add 100, so we will get 5000. Now for this new observations, we need to find the mean. So sum is 5000 divided by number of observations are 100 items. 100. 2 zeros cancel, so the original mean or correct mean or verified mean or rectified mean is 50. Okay, if the arithmetic and harmonic means of the two numbers are 4.5 and 4 respectively. Arithmetic mean is given as 4.5. What is the formula for arithmetic mean? A plus B by 2. It is given as 4.5. And harmonic mean is given as 4. Harmonic formula 2ab divided by a plus b is equals to 4. This 2 I will take to the right side, so we will get a plus b is equals to 2 into 4 half. So a plus b is equals to 2 into 4 and half is 9. So we got the a plus b value as 9. And here in the place of this a plus b I will substitute 9. So we will get 2ab divided by 9 is equals to 4. 2ab is equals to 9 4s are 36. ab is equals to 18. A plus b is 9 and ab is 18. Then what about the possibilities for a and b? A value is 6, b value is 3, otherwise a value is 3, b value is 6. So those two numbers are 3 and 6.